So let's see today's recipe for these very easy to make Easter eggs. Now here I have about 100 grams of cashew nut powder which has been sifted or sieved. This is 200 grams of powdered sugar which has been sieved and 1 egg white. Now I'm taking a non-stick pan and on a low to medium flame I've added both the powders and we're going to mix them up really well. Now we're going to add our egg white and then we're just going to stir everything till everything comes together. It will take you about 2 to 3 minutes of constant stirring. Don't worry if your icing sugar or powdered sugar just flies a little bit out of your pan. It's okay. It does happen. So just keep stirring, concentrate on the mixture and just keep stirring till you get a very nice smooth consistency. It almost becomes like a thick wax consistency. Now you can do the water test after about 7 or 8 minutes. Just take a little bit of room temperature water, put a little bit of the mixture, and if you're able to form a nice firm ball, that means your mixture is all ready. Just put off the heat and with the residue heat, just keep stirring. Now transfer your mixture onto a glass plate or a steel plate and we're going to let this mixture completely cool before handling it. Remember, it's extremely hot, so don't be impatient to try and touch the mixture. Let it completely cool down. Now a silicone spoon really helps in taking out all of the mixture. Now these are some of the things that you can use. It's easily available. Even if you don't get it in any store, you'll definitely get it online. A little bit of Easter egg decorations and some cupcake holders, molds. Now my mixture has completely cooled down. I'm able to handle the mixture. So I've just taken a little bit of ghee on my hands or clarified butter on my palms, and I'm just going to get all of the mixture together. The ghee or the clarified butter helps in getting the mixture together. So just knead the mixture well for about a minute or so and then you'll get this nice firm mixture which is actually just your marzipan which you can use to make your Easter eggs. So now I'm just using the molds and I'm just making little mini Easter eggs. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of royal icing. I have a recipe for royal icing. I'm going to leave a link for that below too. So here my daughter Ida did all of the icing and the decoration. So all I did was just make the molds and the shape and then she did all the rest of it. She used some nice pastel colors. Well, we just did a trial batch. We're going to make one more batch just before Easter. So those of you who want to just know the Easter egg recipe, I said I'll put up this video for you. Now I have many other recipes too on my channel which I have been putting up for the past 2 years since I've started YouTube. So I'll be putting up those Easter egg recipes too. I also have a recipe for hot cross